Hi folks, good news. Right, I've had confirmation now from the timetabling team for Laws 41709 Offender Management. So the Offender Management module will be delivered on campus from the week commencing the 12th of April. And the assessment will be on campus. You will be initially, for the first 2 weeks, in LT001. That's the lecture theatre. I will go over and check this to make sure that the lecture theatre is still in operation. For weeks 12 and 13, we will be in LT111/113, which is in the main Ashley building where there used to be the Starbucks. It's on the first floor. So you go up the stairs near this Starbucks and you walk down towards the actual lecture theatres, and you'll come across that building there, and the rooms are in there. So this is good news. So again, attendance is up to you really. You're all in your own situations. Some of you got childcare. Some of you, for whatever reason, might want to come in. But do not go to work during this thing. It's not for you to go and do a part-time job when you should be engaging in the offender management role play scenarios. So if you've got problems with your laptops and things like that, then you should really come in to the university. If you're ill, or you've got some childcare, or your children have been sent home, then the role plays will be recorded. But it doesn't mean that you can go on a job at the same time, because this is important. This is offender management. You're going to have HMPPS professionals delivering the workshops and helping you deliver and engage in the sort of teach and learn experience, what you signed up for. So I'll be a bit disappointed if people choose to, arrange appointments on a Wednesday morning between 9 and 11, when a lot of people are giving up the time and energy to come in to help you in your career. So there will be prison staff, there'll be probation staff, and there'll be former residents and current residents of Drake Hall coming in to share their experiences, talk about offender management, assist with role plays and with the staff, and deliver sessions. So we're very lucky. So I shall see you back on Wednesday, the 14th, in LT001.